In this video, I'll show you how to connect ChatGPT in Notion, what that actually means today, and the main ways to use OpenAI-powered AI features inside your Notion workflow. First, here's the most important update. There is not one single button called Connect ChatGPT to Notion for every use case. Today, this can mean a few different things. Using Notion AI with OpenAI models inside Notion, connecting Notion to ChatGPT through Notion MCP, or building your own connection with the Notion API. Notion's current help and developer docs describe all three paths separately. If your goal is simply to use ChatGPT-like AI inside Notion, the easiest option is Notion AI. Notion says Notion AI can help you write, search, summarize, analyze files, and chat without leaving your workspace. And its guides note that it uses advanced models, including OpenAI models. Notion's release notes also show that OpenAI models are available in Notion's model picker. So in practical terms, the easiest setup is to open Notion, use the AI features already built into your workspace, and choose the model or AI experience available to you. In some Notion AI workflows, Notion even lets users choose between different AI models, including OpenAI's ChatGPT, for certain search and answer experiences. Now, if what you really want is to connect your ChatGPT app directly to your Notion workspace, Notion's official answer is Notion MCP. Notion says MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol, lets AI tools like ChatGPT connect directly to your Notion workspace so they can read from and write to pages in real time based on your permissions. That means the setup depends on where you want the AI to live. If you want the AI experience inside Notion, use Notion AI. If you want ChatGPT itself to work with your Notion workspace, use Notion MCP. Notion specifically describes MCP as the bridge between AI assistants like ChatGPT and your Notion content. There's also a third option for builders and developers. Use the Notion API. Notion's API guide says the API lets developers connect other software to Notion and automate workflows. So if you want a custom app, a bot, or an automation that sends content between ChatGPT-powered tools and Notion, the Notion API is the more advanced route. Another thing to know is that Notion also has AI connectors, but those are different. Notion says AI connectors are used to bring knowledge from tools like Slack, Google Drive, and other apps into Notion AI. So those connectors help Notion AI search outside apps, but they are not the same thing as directly connecting ChatGPT to your Notion workspace. So the smart way to choose is simple. Use Notion AI if you want OpenAI-powered help inside Notion. Use Notion MCP if you want ChatGPT to access and work with your Notion workspace. And use the Notion API if you want to build your own custom integration. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.